Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever had your eyeliner smudge or fade by midday, then you're probably on the hunt for that one liner that won't let you down. Well, today we're talking about the Wet n Wild H2O Proof Liquid Eyeliner, a waterproof, smudge-proof, and long-lasting formula that promises to keep you looking flawless, no matter what the day throws at you. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon so you never miss a review. Now, let's dive in. This liquid eyeliner has been designed with a precise brush applicator, making it ideal for creating anything from subtle, fine lines to bold, dramatic wings. And what really caught my attention is that it's not just waterproof, it's smudge-proof and promises to hold up through tears, humidity, and a busy day at work. When it comes to the formula, it's highly pigmented, giving you a deep black line that delivers definition with one stroke. It's not the kind of eyeliner that fades by midday either. I tried it out in different conditions, from a busy workday to a night out, and it truly held up without a single smudge or smearing. And I think we can all agree that one of the worst things about eyeliner is when it starts fading or transferring, especially when you're rushing and don't have time for touch-ups. This liner eliminates that stress. Let's talk about the experience. The brush applicator is incredibly fine, allowing for precision in application. Whether you're going for a more delicate, everyday look or a bold cat eye, it makes both easy to achieve. The formula itself is smooth and dries down quickly, which is a huge bonus if you're always on the go. Plus, it doesn't feel heavy on the eyelid once applied, which is great for comfort. On the flip side, one thing to note is that the formula is quite long-lasting, but that also means it can be a bit stubborn to remove at the end of the day. I found it took a bit of extra effort to get it off, especially if you don't use a dedicated makeup remover. So, a gentle cleansing balm or an oil-based makeup remover is a must if you want to avoid tugging at the delicate skin around your eyes. In terms of value for money, this eyeliner is an absolute steal. For such a reasonable price point, you're getting a product that performs like high-end liners. The fact that it's waterproof and smudge-proof for hours is a feature you'd expect from something much more expensive. So, if you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly eyeliner, this is a top contender. As for alternatives, while there are a few other waterproof options out there, I'd say this one stands out for its precise applicator and price. If you're willing to spend a bit more, you could explore some higher-end brands, but for most people, this one will do the job just as well. In terms of longevity, I noticed the eyeliner stayed intact for a full day, no smudging or fading. However, depending on your makeup remover, it might take a bit more effort to completely clean it off. If you're planning to wear it through a day of activities or even for a night out, you can count on it to stay put, even through a few tears or sweat. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. To sum it up, the Wet n Wild H2O Proof Liquid Eyeliner is a solid choice for anyone looking for a dependable, waterproof eyeliner that won't smudge or fade throughout the day. It's perfect for creating precise, long-lasting looks that will hold up under just about any condition. It's especially suited for those who need their makeup to stay intact from morning to night without constant touch-ups. Thanks for watching, and be sure to drop a comment below if you've tried this eyeliner. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.